universe has 6 mysteries it refuses to explain. Number 1 visited us and left before we understood what it was. Number 6, the Boötes Void, the Great Nothing. The universe is full of galaxies. Most of space, by volume, is empty, but not this empty. The Boötes Void is a spherical region 330 million light-years across, where astronomers expected roughly 2,000 galaxies. They found 60, clustered in a thin filament near the center, like a handful of dust inside an empty stadium. Astronomer Greg Aldering pointed out that if the Milky Way sat at its center, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. Not because of missing technology, because there would have been nothing to see. And that's before we get to the largest known void in the observable universe, which is the one you're currently sitting inside. The KBC Void measures 2 billion light-years across. Dense walls of galaxies surrounding us are slowly pulling us toward them. The universe is not as full as we assumed. Number 5, the cold spot, a bruise from another universe. The cosmic microwave background is the oldest light in the observable universe, the residual glow of the Big Bang. It hums at microwave frequencies in every direction around you right now. When scientists mapped it, they found near-perfect uniformity, essentially smooth, In one direction, toward Eridanus, the CMB drops by 70 microkelvins. The cold spot spans 1.8 billion light-years. Our entire galaxy could fit inside it 100 times over. The leading explanation, a super void draining energy from the signal, held until 2017, when astronomers concluded a void large enough to explain it simply cannot form under our current understanding of the universe. Some physicists propose it's a bruise, a scar from where our universe physically collided with another during cosmic inflation. 2 bubble universes pressing against each other, leaving an imprint in our oldest light. Roger Penrose goes further. 30 specific warm points across the CMB could be energy signatures of black holes that evaporated in a previous iteration of the universe. Echoes of a cosmos that existed before ours, frozen in the map of something that still does. Both theories remain unconfirmed. Neither has been ruled out. Number 4, fast radio bursts. Something is screaming across the universe. We can't make it stop. In 2007, a graduate student reviewing 6-year-old archival telescope data found a 5-millisecond flash of radio energy so intense it had literally saturated the sensors. His supervisor, Duncan Lorimer, said he was speechless. That signal crossed billions of light-years, released more energy in 1 millisecond than our sun produces in 3 full days, and simply stopped. No repeat, no follow-up. Now the CHIME telescope detects 2 or 3 new bursts every single day. One fires somewhere in the observable universe every minute. The most powerful ever recorded, the Boötes, brightest of all time, arrived in March 2025. It has never repeated. Not once across 7 years of monitoring that patch of sky. Something may have died in the act of screaming. Then there's FRB 201809116b, which repeats on a schedule. Active 4 to 5 days. Silent 12. Then active again. Like clockwork, across more than 100 cycles. No model fully explains it. In 2024, astronomers traced a repeating FRB to a dead galaxy 11 billion years old. That source shouldn't exist. It keeps firing. Number 3. Magnetars, the most violent objects in the known universe. When a massive star dies, it leaves behind a neutron star, the mass of our sun compressed into a ball 12 miles across. A teaspoon weighs 1 billion tons. Now give it a magnetic field 100 trillion times stronger than Earth's. That's a magnetar. At 600 miles away, atoms come apart. Your body wouldn't burn, wouldn't freeze. It would dissolve at the atomic level before your nervous system registered anything had happened. When a starquake hit SGR 1806-20, it released more energy in 1/10 of a second than our sun has produced in the last 150,000 years. The 2004 flare blinded satellites and disturbed Earth's magnetic field. If that same event had occurred 10 light-years away, our ozone layer wouldn't have survived. Their fields decay within 10,000 years. The universe builds the most violent objects in the cosmos, burns them out, and moves on. Number 2. Tabby's star, the one that made scientists ask if they were alone. In 2015, 300,000 volunteers manually checking Kepler data on 150,000 stars flagged something no algorithm had caught. A star 1,280 light-years away was dimming. Not 1%, which would suggest Jupiter, 22%. None of the dips matched any known natural object. They titled the official paper, "Where's the Flux?" The acronym was intentional. Historical plates revealed the star had dimmed 20% overall since 1890. No star of its type does that. A crowd-funded study in 2018 concluded it's probably dust. But what produces that much dust around a star showing no signs of being young? The Green Bank Observatory pointed the world's largest radio telescope directly at it, scanning for artificial signals. They found nothing. The question is still open. Nobody has closed it. Number 1. Oumuamua. It visited us and left before we understood what it was. In October 2017, a telescope in Hawaii detected an object moving too fast to belong to our solar system. The first confirmed interstellar visitor in human history. It had already passed the sun. It was leaving. We had weeks. Oumuamua was tumbling chaotically, 10 times longer than it was wide. The Spitzer Space Telescope spent 30 hours searching for any heat or outgassing. It found nothing. Then it accelerated. After rounding the sun, Oumuamua sped up, measurably, definitively, against solar gravity. No gas jets, no tail, no dust, no infrared signature. Physics demands a force. None was found. Harvard's Avi Loeb argued the only explanation was an artificial light sail, a structure less than a millimeter thick. Nothing in nature produces that. Cornell's Darryl Seligman proposed a dark comet, billions of years of trapped hydrogen, released silently near the sun. Lab experiments confirmed it's chemically possible. Loeb still disagrees. Oumuamua is now over 4 billion miles away. No second observation possible. Whatever it was, planetary fragment, discarded engineering, something entirely new. It came and went without explanation. The universe built a great nothing large enough to swallow 100 Milky Ways. Left a bruise in its oldest light from a universe before ours. fires radio bursts from galaxies that shouldn't produce them, builds the most violent objects in the cosmos and quietly discards them, showed us a star dimming in patterns no one can explain. And then something from another star system visited, accelerated away without a visible force, and disappeared before we could answer a single question. Which one won't let you go? Drop it below. Subscribe. The universe keeps producing these, and we're just getting started.